This is Kims&Tory. I'm a global business pro in 2025 December. So I make a global character. I made it. Kims&Tory. First of all, I drove the Kims&Tory. What does it mean, Kims&Tory? I'm my YouTube channel name is Kims&Tory, so Kims&Tory. So I made it. Simple. This is Kim. Do you know Kim? It can make kimbap, Korean food, and this is rice. So I think about how to make a character, and I use ChatGPT, and I talking about this character, and I have a make a 저작권 how to 글로벌로 나갈 수 있는지, and a lot of think about this character with ChatGPT, and I made it this Kims&Tory. This is birth of global character Kims&Tory. How do you think about it? recommend 댓글 부탁드려요. Please recommend. Please write the sentence.